Today, I'll walk you through how to send a view once photo in Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share a photo that can only be viewed once, so you can maintain your privacy and control over what you send. First, let's get started by opening your Snapchat app. This is where all the magic happens, so go ahead and tap on the Snapchat icon on your device. Once you're in the app, look for the messages icon at the bottom of your screen. It resembles a chat bubble. Tap on that to access your conversations. This is where you can connect with your friends. Now, navigate to the specific conversation where you want to send your view once photo. Simply tap on the name of the friend you want to send it to. This will open up the chat window for that conversation. Next, it's time to take your photo. You can do this by tapping the circular capture button at the bottom of the screen. Make sure to frame your shot just the way you want it. Remember, this photo will only be seen once. After you've taken your photo, look to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a timer icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will allow you to set the viewing options for your photo. Now you'll have the option to choose how long the photo can be viewed and how many times it can be seen. You can set it to view once, which is perfect for sharing something private or spontaneous, just like sending a postcard that disappears after it's read. Once you've made your selections, simply hit send. Your friend will receive the photo and they'll only have one chance to view it before it disappears. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates frequently and the core functions remain the same. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a view once photo in Snapchat. This feature is a great way to share moments without leaving a permanent trace. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.